Gout is a common and complex form of arthritis that can affect anyone and is often a debilitating condition affecting veterans. Characterized by sudden, severe joint pain, attacks of gout can result in inflammation, lingering discomfort, and limited range of motion. While gout usually affects the big toe, it can also occur in ankles, knees, wrists, and fingers. Veterans suffering from gout may be eligible for VA disability benefits. Understanding the VA rating system for gout and providing adequate medical evidence is crucial to receiving the compensation you deserve. But the VA has complicated rules and procedures to qualify. It can get confusing. That's where we can help. We regularly produce fresh video content to help you untangle the ever-changing VA process. To stay in the know, click on the subscribe button. As with any claim for VA disability, to be granted benefits for gout, you must meet 3 criteria. First, you must have an official diagnosis of your condition from a VA-approved medical professional. Typically, you must also be able to point to a specific incident in your military service that could have caused your condition, which is the second criterion. This event or the conditions you served under that caused your disability must be recorded or may be recorded in your service record. And finally, your doctor must provide proof of a medical nexus. That's a connection that shows your gout is a result of your military service. A nexus letter from your doctor can be crucial in helping you to get your application approved. A VA disability nexus letter is a document that explains how your medical condition is related to your military service. It can be submitted with the initial application or after an adverse C&P exam. A nexus letter is especially important if your application doesn't include medical records or if the C&P examiner doesn't find a link between your condition and your military service. VA disability ratings for gout can range from 0 to 100% in increments of 10% based on several factors. The most common VA rating for gout is 10% or 20% for each joint that has gout. The VA rates gout based on factors such as how your gout limits your range of motion, the severity of attacks, evidence of flare-ups, and how your condition limits your ability to function in everyday life. If your gout significantly impairs your ability to walk, stand, or perform tasks necessary for employment, you will likely be awarded a higher rating. You may be eligible for secondary disability benefits if you have qualified for another separate condition which has caused your gout. For example, if you are service-connected for hypertension and develop gout because of it, you could be eligible for VA compensation for gout secondary to hypertension. The same secondary service connection is possible if you develop gout secondary to PTSD. The VA rates secondary conditions the same as primary conditions, and you may be able to increase your combined VA rating through a secondary service connection. Because winning disability benefits can be complicated and sometimes frustrating, it's important to hire an experienced VA disability attorney to help you with your claim. There's no easy formula for addressing veterans' claims, especially for conditions like gout. At Cuddigan Law, we examine each case individually, develop the best strategy, and work with you to submit your claim or file an appeal if it's been denied. Call us for a free evaluation of your situation.